Hello and welcome to the KDP Income Program. My name is Nwaeze David, and in this training, I'll be showing you how to create and publish low content books on Amazon. Now, here are some of the things we'll cover in this training. I will show you the tools we'll be using definitely. Then I will show you how to research a good product, how to design a good book cover, how to format a book for publishing, and how to publish your books on Amazon. I also share some simple SEO tips to help you boost your book sales. Because if your book is not visible, customers will not see it and you will not make any sales, resulting to no monthly earnings. So I will show you the simple SEO tips to make your book visible so that you can make more sales, and also show you how to withdraw your earnings every month. Now, in this training, we'll be using three things: Canva, BookBoat, and Amazon accounts. Now, your Amazon account is where you're going to publish the books that you've already formatted and ready to publish. Then BookBoat is the main platform where we are going to format our book. We are going to design it and put in everything that we need to put inside the book, then format it and get it ready to be published on Amazon. Canva will be using Canva to design the book cover mostly. There's an AI tool on Canva that we'll use to generate images, unique images that we'll be using for our book cover. You can either design your book cover on Canva, you can also design it on BookBoat, but mainly Canva. In this training, I'll just use Canva to generate the images, then I'll import them to BookBoat and design the book cover there. I will show you how all this is done. Now, there are benefits to low content books. One of them is that you're not writing anything. So you don't need to worry about writing. You say, I don't know how to write a book. Or you don't need to know anything about writing book. You're not writing anything. You're not spending any dime on printing or publishing your book. Everything is done for is free. Then all you need to do is design these books, publish them, and you keep receiving royalties every month. So if you're ready to take advantage of this opportunity and create low content books on Amazon, join me in the next module as I show you how to get started with all this.